Open Arduino IDE. Now go to File, then Preferences. Now this Preferences window will open. Here in Additional Boards Manager URLs, we need to paste NodeMCU URL link. Now open the elinstechnologies learning page and copy this link. Now paste this link here and click OK. Now click on Tools, then Board Manager. This window will open and it will little time to download the index. Now in the search, type ESP8266. Now click on the library. Select the version 2.6.2 and install it. Now, wait, it will take some time to install the library. After installation, installed will be written here. Now close the window. Now go to Tools, then Boards, then ESP8266 Boards and select NodeMCU 1.0 ESP12E module. Now again go to Tools and verify your board. It should be NodeMCU 1.0. That's it. We have done with NodeMCU Setup. Thank you for watching. Now please go to next video.